morning, everybody. Today we are going to be installing a air filter on a 2013 Equinox and also the cabin air filter on the same vehicle. Here's the Equinox. Not exactly sure what years are all the same for these cars, but this is the 2013 and we're going to do the installation for you so you can see how you can do it. This right here is what the engine air filter looks like. This is not the cabin air filter. And the numbers you would want to order is right there. I got AC Delco because I wanted to get the stock filters. And then AC Delco, there's the numbers for the cabin air filter for the 2013 Equinox. And just so you guys know, I paid $12.75 for the cabin air filter. And this one here cost $26. So in order to replace the air filter, you need to remove this bolt. There's one down there, and there's one down there, and one right there. And they are T25 is what you guys are going to want to use. And then once you guys have the screws all out, this here just simply lifts up, and there you have access to your filter. You take that one out, put the new one in, put the screws back in, and you're good to go. Out with the old and in with the new. This filter here isn't like completely terrible, but it's definitely, you can see there's a lot of black dirt and stuff on it, and definitely worth replacing. And whenever the battery in your drill dies, you have to use a screwdriver, or the old-fashioned way. Just put the 4 screws back in and that filter is replaced. Pretty legit. Whenever you're ready to replace the cabin air filter, you want to open up the passenger side door and you want to remove all the junk that's on the floor and open the glove box. And clean out your glove box, because you gotta drop the glove box down in order to get to the cabin air filter. Once your glove box is empty, there is this thing right here, which is actually the stop for your glove box. If you push this up that way, then you're able to pull this down beyond it. Try to do that with one hand. There we go. That just comes down, and now back here, you can see this, it sits on a hinge. This whole entire thing just lifts up, and then it comes right off. And then you have this. So here's the hinges I was talking about. There's 5 of them, and they just sit on here, these 5 little circle things. And right in here is where your filter is. You can see there's a clip. The lighting is really bad. There's a clip there and a clip right there. Push them up, and there's your filter. And you just grab the filter and you pull it out. And as you can see, this thing is completely nasty. Can you hold that? See all the dirt and stuff in there? That stuff, anytime you turn on your air conditioning or your heater, the air has to go through this thing in order to get to the vents. And my wife and I have been having a very strange smell lately, and I think we found our cause right here. So as simple as you get the new filter, you push it in, close the door, and put it back together. And then once you have your new filter pushed all the way in, make sure the airflow is, there's an arrow on it that says airflow and an arrow. Make sure that points up, because the fan's down here, which blows air up towards the vents. So once you're done, you just push that shut. These things clip in. And then you just get the glove box here and put it back on these hinges like I showed you before, and it just pushes right down. Just like that. And then this thing up here, you gotta push up on it again to get it past. There you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you do the cabin air filter on a 2013 Equinox. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on replacing those two filters. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like. Take care and see you later. Bye.